Welcome to the second of 4 videos. I hope you're starting to recognize the new characters on site. This video provides instruction on how to properly write the first set of characters for today. Our first character is ah. Ah is made of 2 strokes. The first stroke is kind of a miniature hu stroke, but it stops quickly. The second stroke is the vertical stroke that slants down to the left as it tails. Let's try this together. Stroke 1 comes across down the fu stroke, and stroke 2, ah. This character looks a lot like the letter A. Hopefully remembering that pronunciation of the letter A will help you remember ah. Our next character is E. E is 3 strokes. The first stroke is a short horizontal stroke across the top. The second stroke is the vertical stroke down the middle. And the final stroke is the horizontal stroke across the bottom. It's longer than the first, and all 3 of these strokes stop. Let's try this together. Stroke 1, stroke 2, and stroke 3. E. Perhaps you can remember this by thinking of elevating your car to repair it. Our third character today is ko. It is only 2 strokes. The first stroke is the same as the first stroke of yo. It goes across the top and down the right side. And the second stroke is the bottom stroke. Both strokes come to a full stop. So let's try this together. Stroke 1 across the top and down the right side. Stroke 2 across the bottom, ko. You can remember this character by thinking about standing on a street corner waiting for the light to change. Our fourth character is se. It is only 2 strokes. The first stroke is the horizontal stroke and it has a hook down to the left. And the second stroke is exactly the same as the third stroke of the hiragana se. It stops. So let's try this together. Stroke 1 goes across and hooks down. Stroke 2 goes down and to the right, se. For this, just remember, if you don't have anything intelligent to se, don't se anything at all. Today we have a lot of 2-stroke combinations. Our 5th character, so, is no exception. The first stroke is a short, roughly vertical stroke on the left, however it does slant in slightly to the right. The second stroke is the no stroke. So let's do this together really quickly. Stroke 1 slants slightly to the right. Stroke 2 tails down to the left. So. This is easy to remember. Just sing, so a needle pulling thread. There's a reason why I'm not a choir teacher. We just learned 5 new katakana characters. We can add 3 more really quickly by adding the dakuten to ko, se, and so. So let's do these really quickly. First, stroke 1, cross down the right side, stroke 2 across the bottom, add the dakuten, go. Next, stroke 1 hooks down, stroke 2 goes down and to the right, add the dakuten, ze. And finally, stroke 1 slants in to the right just slightly, stroke 2 is the no stroke, add the dakuten, and we get zo. These are the first 8 characters of today. So go ahead and answer a few questions and then come back for the 3rd video.